Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Vega X on mobile. First, confirm your device meets minimum specs and enable developer options to allow installations outside the App Store. Start by backing up important files and ensuring at least 2 GB free storage. Use official or trusted sources, follow step-by-step install prompts, and reboot after setup. I will guide you through each option and troubleshoot common errors in a clear, friendly way. Make sure your phone model and OS support Vega X and that you have a stable internet connection for downloads. Enable necessary permissions like storage and location only when installing, and revoke unused permissions later. Keep a backup of game data and create a restore point using your preferred cloud or local method. I will explain trusted sources, checksum checks, and how to spot fake installers step by step easily. Download the official Vega X package from a trusted mirror and verify the file hash before opening. Use a file manager to locate the APK, tap to install, and accept safe permissions when prompted. If the installer is blocked, toggle unknown sources in settings or use ADB sideload with clear instructions. After installation, update graphics drivers if available, test performance, and adjust in-app settings for battery life and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.